Hi, welcome back to MRTV. This is Sebastian still wearing the Bigscreen Beyond, the new version, the one with the wider FOV. And today I'm going to check out Kayak Mirage. Right? I love this game. It's beautiful, one of the most beautiful games out there, and they have these dark night levels. And I want to enjoy them with the Bigscreen Beyond. I know it's going to be good, but I'm going to check out how good it is. Also, I will check out the day levels just to compare it with other headsets, and yeah, I'll give you my impressions. So, absolutely stay tuned. Watch the whole video because all this goodness is coming up. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to MRTV. Here I am in the kayak. And yes, I'm so happy to see that indeed the FOV is better now. Now it is bigger, slightly bigger than the Quest 2 horizontally, a bit less vertically. So it's very comparable to what we see with the HP Reverb G2 actually. And as someone who has been in the Reverb G2 for years now, finally I can say, yes, this is a headset now that in terms of FOV, I can use it and I don't feel like, oh, they're taking away something from me. So that is great. And that coupled with the other great features of this headset, as in, yeah, it's super, super light, super comfy, great colors. Oh, wow, it is nice. But anyways, let's go into these levels. Let's get into the night levels, check it out, and also let's check out like a bright level, just to compare it against other headsets in terms of brightness and all these good things that we like to check out here on MRTV. So let's see, probably there's some other night level here. Do we have a night level here? Yes, here. This one. I have not checked out this one, so let's do it together now. Yeah. Oh, wow. Okay, here we are. And I hadn't played this night level, but yeah, the first moment already, oh yeah, this is good. So it is simply so dark, but it's thanks to the micro OLED, the things that should not be dark, like for example, this tower there, the light tower, it looks great because, well, these pixels, they will light up, right? And the rest won't because, well, it's not local dimming. It's not like with the Crystal or the Quest Pro where you have like behind the display there's some light which obviously doesn't have the same pixel resolution like the actual display, and then you have blooming. Here this is simply perfect. Wow. Impressive. Impressive. And to see the stars here. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. So, yes. And the great thing, even compared to the PlayStation VR 2, which also has an OLED display, what is better here, well, you don't have any Mura. Right, so this scene can also look beautiful. Hello there. Whoo. This scene can also look beautiful in the PSVR 2. But then if you look to the sky, you'll see Mura, right? These uneven parts of the display here. Everything is good. Yeah, beautiful. Absolutely, absolutely the way to go. So if you are someone who loves like dark scenes like this, for example, or horror games, or probably space games like Elite Dangerous, this is fantastic. This is incredible. Nice. Yeah, also, I'm really happy, again, like I told you in the very beginning of this video, that yes, now you have an FOV that is on par with Reverb G2 or Quest, something around these lines, right? So you won't feel like, oh, they're taking something from me here, right? They're giving me something like a wonderful micro OLED display and great resolution, but they're taking something from me. No, that we don't have this problem anymore. Oh, oh, yeah, good. This is good. So yes, this part, without a doubt, better than in the Crystal. If you're wondering, Crystal also fantastic. It's a fantastic headset. Oh, there's a dog. Hello there. Hello. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. VR has come a long way. Yes. So, yeah. Good. This part is very convincing, I must say. Very convincing. Love it. Let's check out the night day level. So this is just incredibly convincing. Yeah. Let's calibrate that. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. This is bright. This is cool. This looks good. Beautiful. Beautiful as well. So yes, the FOV change, it makes a huge difference. So now this really is a headset that I can like recommend to you, right? If you're looking for that form factor, if you're looking for a replacement of your Index, you already have the controllers, you already have the base stations. So now I can recommend it to you. What's going to be different coming from your Index? Well, the FOV is a bit smaller. It's just smaller, right? It's if you're used to Index, this is something you will have to get used to it, right? But probably you did already look through a HP Reverb G2 or a Quest 2, then you know what you are looking at. But in terms of visuals, you will be stunned. It's so much better. So much better than the Index. Beautiful. Yeah, also, I'm happy to tell you that also edge-to-edge clarity got better with this. I told you that for the prototype, somehow the picture quality, it degraded really fast towards the edges. Now, you don't have that so fast anymore, right? So it's gonna be clear for much more degrees. And like playing this, I don't have any problems with it. Not at all. It's just beautiful. It is just beautiful. So good. Is it perfect though? No, still not. And now, well, if I really look through the very top, very bottom, very right, very left of the display, there is some slight color shifting towards red, up and down, and towards blue and green to the right and left. So, do you actually feel that? Probably if I wouldn't have told you, you would probably never have known. Sorry about that, but I need to tell you everything that I see. That is what I'm doing here at MRTV, right? So yeah, there is a slight color shift towards the very edges of the display. For this unit, I don't know. Is the final one different? Perhaps. I don't know. I will ask the team about it. But is it distracting me, like in this scene here? Not at all. Absolutely not at all. It is beautiful. Yeah, it is beautiful. So now let's go to a sunshiny day. Just to see like the intensity, like the brightness of this as compared to something like PSVR 2 is very bright, right? Or other headsets like the Crystal. And here we are. So it's a sunshiny day. We have some clouds here, and yeah, it's good. It is bright enough, right? So if you are afraid of, oh no, this is not bright enough, like in my opinion, this is bright enough. So no, it is not as bright as something like the PSVR 2 or the Crystal, but it is, in my opinion, bright enough. It has beautiful colors, and you're going to enjoy this. You are going to enjoy this. So yeah, I would say it is on par with something like the Pico 4, right? If you probably have tried it out. So this is good. And again, absolutely no Mura at all. Perfect. Yeah, I like it now. I can absolutely recommend this to you. So even though it is not perfect, right? This model here that I'm using, with those slight color shifts, it is like, it's truly not a deal breaker at all. It is something that is slightly there if you look through the very edges of the display, but I prefer this over having like a bad edge trace clarity. So this is a great immersive experience. And well, here, the form factor. Yeah, it's so light, you don't feel inertia. It's great. So yeah, I'm working my way towards understanding this headset. This video is one part of this. And I can tell, like, for dark scenes, this for sure should be my go-to headset. For bright scenes, well, for bright scenes, if it's just about the picture clarity, I would go for the Crystal, right? But if it really depends what is important for you. Is it the comfort? Is it the lightness of the headset? Yeah, then this is great. So let me check motion blur. If I do this. Honestly, there's like a very little bit, but it is so good. I couldn't imagine this to be a problem for people. Yeah, overall, it's a great experience. It's a great experience that I know many people will like. And is it worth it, the asking price of $1,000 for a custom-made headset? So, like with everything that I know until now, still getting to really understand this headset, I would say yes. It's a resounding yes. I'm so happy about them like giving us a bit more FOV now. Great. I hope that you enjoyed these impressions here from Kayak Mirage. More videos with other games will follow. Probably next I will try some space game like Star Wars. In my quest to really understand this headset better. Beautiful. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and do let me know any questions in the comment section. And well, I'm absolutely looking forward to see you in the next video, and subscribe to this channel. That's everything that I have. Until then, bye-bye. Oh, did I forget to tell you about the Discord server again? My goodness, I shouldn't do that. So if you want to chat with me or the community about the Bigscreen Beyond, you can do that on the MRTV Discord server. The link down in the description of this video, and it's an amazing Discord server. You should be there if you have any questions. All right, see you in the next one. Bye-bye.